Guys, so I didn't make an intro for this video because this was supposed to be put together with Vlogmas Day 8, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just me cleaning my room again and decorating my desk, or trying to decorate it in some way. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, I'm working on clearing out my window. I'm pretty much done. This is normally stuff that I just keep here. This is a new bottle of water, so I'm gonna keep that here. I have these 2 cups. I normally drink out of this one, but I haven't cleaned it in a while and I'm too lazy to clean it. And I have my camera stuff right here next to me because I edit in my room, obviously, and in my bed, so I just keep my camera and the batteries, the charger. And then I have like random stuff.
Baby, let's fuck one more time.
Where they say he cheap out here. Niggas hold, they tuck their tails cause they be scared.
Okay, so I'm pretty much, this camera's not focusing. Focus, please, thank you. So I cleaned my floor already. I have my work clothes on the ground over here because I just keep them on the floor because they're dirty. My bed is pretty much made. This looks like a mess because, like I said, I stack all my hoodies and like sleep shirts. I don't know why I don't just put it in the bin. And then I have my towel here. It's just, it looks really ugly, but I promise I'm gonna fix it. I just need to put this blanket on the bed. I wanted to do this on camera and make it look like how it was when I first decorated my room, when it was just nice and cute. We're gonna take this cream one off. I'm gonna put it over here. The bed is pretty much fixed. My neck is hurting. My window looks a little bit messy, but it's not. Like, it's just certain things that are up there, so it's okay. But I have my planner over here. Oh, that's what I meant to show you guys, that I got from Burlington. So I just got this planner. It was only $5.99 and it has like a picture of like the entire world, like a map, and it was only $5.99, so I got it. It's a 2021 planner because I want to start planning out my videos and just writing stuff down. So last night I wrote in it because I have to study for something, and I wrote down like my goals and all my Vlogmas videos that I need to do. I literally have every day planned out, and hopefully I can stick to that. The only day I don't have planned is tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 9. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing, but I literally wrote down like everything I need to do and like payments that I need to make in this planner, because although everything is in my phone and I always have my phone, I'm not always looking at what I need to pay for or what I need to do. So I wrote it down in this planner, and I plan on keeping it like in my window next to me so I can like write stuff down. I'm out of breath. I don't know why. The bed is pretty clean. We did a good job. I kind of just want to lay in it now that I'm done. But right now, this battery is on 2 bars, and I'm gonna switch it out for the other one. and charge this one, and I just have to clean off my desk and dresser, and then I'm pretty much done with the room. I'm gonna show you guys how I want to organize my desk. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't, then I can always return this stuff, but I think I lost the receipt, so probably not. I don't know where the receipt is, but I got some stuff from Burlington. I'm so out of breath. I don't know why. I'm tired. But so I got this little basket from Burlington, and it matches this plant that I got from Burlington that I want to put on my desk. It's like a rusty, like white type of thing vibe going, and it's kind of looking gray, and then this is like a rusted white basket. Plus I have this new marble mirror. It's like a marble bottom, and then this is just, it's just me, it's just regular. So what I wanted to do was, I was gonna take all of this, not this, I'm gonna put this over here. I want to take this stuff and put it inside, probably not the jewelry boxes either. I have spray, which maybe I should spray, make it smell like pumpkin spice because it smells amazing. I wanted to put this inside of here. Like, are you guys catching on to what I'm trying to do? But I don't think I need all 3 of these soaps up here. Maybe I'll showcase the winter one, even though I didn't use it yet. This works so much better in my head. Okay, no, it's not gonna work. Okay, so we have my mouthwash. I can put that up here. My soap. There's another mouthwash, but I'm probably not gonna keep that here. I have a hand sanitizer. I'm trying to think of what I need to put everything up here that I use daily. So this is what I wanted to do. I feel like it's no room here, and I'm holding this camera. It's stressing me out. Okay, so we have the mirror. I want to keep the mirror somewhere. I'm gonna have to put this stuff away. I have like 5 candles on my desk. Why am I recording for 6? Anyways, I have like 5 candles on my desk. This is bourbon pumpkin, and this is almond macaroon. I think this one should stay, or maybe I could keep the Christmas one out because, you know, it's Christmas. And then I have this one back here, but like these 3 match my aesthetic. I'm thinking I have this like silver bottle back here, which is kind of okay, like it's cute. Maybe this plant can go here, and then I was thinking this could be on the opposite side. But this mirror, tell me if I'm crazy, this mirror does not match. And yes, my comforter's back here, please don't mind it. This mirror does not match what I'm trying to do, so I feel like it just looks weird. Like, let me see if I can just do this first and see what happens. I'm gonna put this on the ground. We're gonna take this candle off as well, and I have white nail polish. I could just put this. Tell me what is wrong here. I think this pink mirror is throwing off the vibe that I'm trying to give. I'm gonna think on this, and I'm gonna come back when I come up with something cute. Okay, this is what I came up with. This comforter is just, this is what my desk is looking like. I know that I'm gonna have to move this mirror because I feel like it just doesn't match. Something is just not right. Like, I can't put my finger on what's wrong here. So I'm trying to like think of what is the problem. I'm like, maybe this needs to be backed up some, and then the candle could be out, and then we have the plant, and we have another candle out. I don't know, this like came together better in my head, but I think something is with the mirror that's on my desk that's throwing it off. But I feel like if I move it, then the desk is gonna look completely empty. And if this spot is bothering you, it's bothering me too, and these 2 spots right here. So I just changed the battery. Look at how interesting this is. So I had no idea, like I didn't remember that I had this jewelry box, which matches the aesthetic. Like, I feel like it does. It matches what I'm trying to do. So I feel like this can stay out, but like, we have a Zales box as well, which I guess that can also sit there. I think this looks pretty good. It's okay. And these Christmas lighters have to go somewhere, which I have storage here, but it's all messed up and I gotta fix it. And I have a bin under here in my laundry. There's a lot going on, so I'm not really worried about that. And this looks pretty good. Okay, so this video is done and I'm pretty much done with my room. The only thing I didn't do was clean off my dresser, and I'm gonna probably wait to do that. I'm pretty tired and I'm hungry, so when I got home I literally started cleaning this room. So I tried to fix my desk the best that I could to make it look cute, but we're gonna be redoing it in another video anyways when I redecorate my room. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Different, the drip is different. I'm not asleep, but the waves is different. Smoking these L's, but the niggas stay winning. 6 headshots got you looking like Krillin. I'm like Ragu, so you know I be saucing. I'm not a dentist, but should I be flossing? Phones been ringing, the money be calling. All of these shooters, but they don't be ballin'. Drip, ayy, the